Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. If you're tired of spending hours manually cleaning your swimming pool, today's product might be exactly what you've been looking for. We're checking out the WYBOT C1 Robotic Pool Vacuum, a cordless robotic pool cleaner designed for both in-ground and many above-ground pools. But is it really worth buying? What do all of its specifications actually mean in everyday use? And why has this robotic cleaner become such a popular option among pool owners? Let's dive in. The first thing you'll notice is that the WYBOT C1 is completely cordless. That means no tangled power cables stretching across your backyard and no external power supply connected while it's cleaning. Instead, everything is powered by a built-in rechargeable 4,600 mAh lithium battery that delivers up to 160 minutes of cleaning time, depending on the selected cleaning mode and pool conditions. Charging takes around 3 hours, making it easy to recharge between cleaning sessions. So what does 160 minutes actually mean in real-world use? For many residential pools, that's enough time for a complete cleaning cycle without interruption. Whether you're cleaning after a weekend pool party or simply maintaining your pool throughout the season, the long runtime helps reduce the number of charging sessions required. Cleaning performance is another major highlight. The WYBOT C1 features a 4-in-1 cleaning system capable of cleaning the pool floor, walls, waterline, and slopes. Instead of only vacuuming the bottom, it climbs walls and scrubs the waterline where oils, sunscreen residue, and algae often collect. Inside the cleaner are dual-drive motors, powerful suction rated at approximately 11.5 cubic meters per hour, and dual PVC scrubbing brushes that loosen dirt while the vacuum captures debris ranging from leaves and sand to fine particles. The 180-micron filter basket is designed to trap everyday pool debris while remaining easy to rinse after each cleaning cycle. Navigation is another area where this robot stands out. Rather than moving randomly around your pool, the WYBOT C1 uses smart navigation with S-path and N-path cleaning patterns. These organized routes help maximize coverage while reducing missed areas. Advanced sensors and internal gyroscope technology help the robot understand its position as it travels across floors and climbs walls. One feature many pool owners appreciate is the mobile app support. Using the WYBOT app, you can choose between multiple cleaning modes including full pool, floor only, wall then floor, and eco floor mode. The app also supports scheduling and OTA software updates, allowing the cleaner to improve over time through firmware updates. Another useful feature is smart self-parking. When the battery becomes low or the cleaning cycle finishes, the robot automatically parks near the pool wall, making retrieval much easier than searching around the deep end. The WYBOT C1 is designed for pools up to approximately 1,600 square feet, works on multiple pool surfaces including concrete, vinyl, fiberglass, and tile, and can operate in water depths up to 3 meters, or about 9.8 feet. That flexibility makes it suitable for many common residential pool designs. The robot itself weighs approximately 8 kilograms, or about 17.6 pounds, providing enough weight for stable wall climbing while remaining manageable to lift out using the included retrieval hook. Why has this cleaner become so popular? It combines cordless convenience, long battery life, intelligent navigation, app control, wall climbing, and waterline cleaning into one compact package. Recent user feedback also highlights its effective floor cleaning and ease of use, especially during routine maintenance. Overall, if you're looking for a robotic pool cleaner that minimizes manual work while covering the floor, walls, and waterline with smart navigation and cordless convenience, the WYBOT C1 offers a feature-rich cleaning experience designed for modern pool maintenance. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.